ActiveCampaign is a customer experience automation app with a strong focus on email marketing. By integrating it with OnePageCRM, you can assure the perfect sync of your contacts between the two apps. It's simple. You can import all of your OnePageCRM contacts, or use filters if you want to import a particular type of lead. OnePageCRM is automatically checking for any changes in the contact list, always keeping it up to date. You'll have the full context for each customer interaction right there in front of you, thanks to OnePageCRM pulling in the organization, status, lead source, background, and any tags you've applied. You can now begin segmenting contacts and adding them to your lists. Then let ActiveCampaign's marketing and email automation tools do the work. Connecting OnePageCRM and ActiveCampaign is simple. Enter your account name, save, and then start importing the contacts to a new or existing list in ActiveCampaign. Personalized email campaigns with minimal admin, all with the OnePageCRM and ActiveCampaign integration.